the number code. Number code in intercom in RJ11 starts from 1 to 6. Meaning that if you count the number of pins, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But out of the 6 here, it's only 4 that has a contact. That's why we put asterisk here and hash here. Hope you guys are getting what I'm saying now. So number 1, we are not using it in voice. Number 6, we are not using it in voice. In some setup in video intercom, we can use that 1 and 6 for the transmission and receiving of video signals. So number 2 now, here now we have transmission. It's transmission. So we have what we call PR1 and PR2. P1, P2, and this one that we are not using, we call it P3. So P3 is video. You only use it in video. And nowadays we don't normally even do that design of video. They normally call this RJ or 14. The next one we now have now, the basic line that you need is 3 and 4. That's PR1, 3 and 4. 3 will carry our receiving line, while 4 will carry our transmission line. Can you see it now? The next one we have, this one represents P1. That's PR1. That's the basic one. The next one we have is P2. We call it redundant side. Meaning that in some setup, it's only when 3 and 4 is not working. That's when signal will change to 2 and 5. We now have 2 and 5. Here, 5 is what? It's a receiving line. Why 2 is what? Transmitting line. T2. We are not using P3. I told you that we are not using P3. It's for video. Now, if you see this wire, this is what we call 4 cable. This is 4 cable. This is what we call network pattrex. You will notice that the color code are not the same. You will notice that this one have stripes. The blue is pure blue. This white is white stripe of blue. So we call this one, we call them band stripped colors. A band strip color is used in 4 cable. That's this cable. This is the cable called 2 pair 4 cable. But let me put it there, 2 pairs 4 cable. Are you guys what I'm saying now? Yes, sir. So for us to now connect this now, you know that we are not using 1 and 6. We are using 2. So 2 will be connected. 2 is white of orange. Or white of, you know. So 2 will be connected here. Is white of orange. 3 will be what?
Blue or white.
Is a pure blue. The major reason why you have blue or white here is if you are having 20 pair colors. That's why I gave you guys the assignment. The scope of this training today is not up to 20 pairs. If it's 20 pair, 25 pair, you'll be having white of orange, orange of white. Or in this setup now, this is white of orange. White, the white is thicker, the orange is small, is thinner. The blue now will be pure blue. If it is in 10 pair, 20 pair, it will not be pure blue. The blue will be thicker, the white will be thinner. So this one will follow this like this. The next one that we have is white or blue. So this is what? White of blue. This is white of blue. It follows like this. And this white of blue is what? 4. Then number 5 is orange. I told you that if it is 20 pairs, if you can't find pure orange like this there, it will be white of orange. But the orange will be thicker, the white will be thinner. So how do we now connect? How do we now connect this to this? Are you guys getting what I'm saying now? You will notice that this color doesn't resemble this. The color that we have here, we call it solid colors, meaning that there's no stripe of anything there. And in solid color, we have black, we have red, we have green, and we have yellow. So the black, give me small screwdriver. So let me use it tonight. The black will be connected to white of orange, meaning that black is coming here. The blue will be connected to red. The green will be connected to white of blue, and the yellow will be connected to orange. Oh, you guys get what I'm saying now? So I will do the stripe here. I'll do it here. So let me now untie it. You two, you pick part of my screw. Abi is those screw that is there. I know that I'm the only one that have this screw.
No, it's on there. Is there that? Why will I pick it? I have my own small
wire. We have something we call wire peel that you can use to peel wire, and that's why as a network engineer we normally sometimes encourage that you have a little nails, although it's not medicinal. So we have one. So our orange is connected to black. Connect it like this.
white of orange.
Sorry, our white of orange will be connected to black. Then the next one, what's the next one? Red will be connected to blue.
Orange or
So the next one is what?
white or blue?
White or blue?
Is it not here that is red?
Ah,
This is red.
ah, God. Thank you, Johnny. This green will be connected to
White or blue?
White or blue?
then
Orange to yellow.
Orange to yellow.
so you have connected it like this. That one can complete. Let me now move to the other side. If you want to creep now. Let me now creep. What's the arrangement?
White of orange.
The arrangement will be white of orange blue. White of blue orange.
What's the arrangement here?
White of
White of orange.
orange
White.
blue. The
The
white of
arrangement is
blue.
correct. I'll come. If you have your network tester here, you can test it. Then I'll just click it. So you will now look for where they wrote 6P. Because it's 6-pin line. So just put it like this. Yeah. If I take a network tester and test it now, it will work. You are looking like Oga creep it once, it works. You spend so many times here. So can you see like that?
So me, I do repeat once.
Amen. It's a prayer point. So that's how to keep it. So thank you very much.